Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As I mentioned in another video, I previously dropped off my M1 MacBook Air for a battery replacement, and it's back. And it actually works on a battery. So that is the really nice thing. So I got the battery replaced, and it shows 0 charge cycles, 100% health. That's the nice thing there. So that's it for the repair, and then I did order a braided USB-C cable, a 2-meter one, like my iPhone charger. That one that came with my iPhone, so that will be arriving tomorrow. See you guys later.